Wow!
Try our ice cream and welcome to our bright, magical land!
Hi! Can I have some ice cream?
Yeah! Hang on a second! Come up! It's ready!
Whoa! Amazing service! Thanks!
Oh yeah? How about a challenge? Of course!
Are you ready for a new contest? Whoever can build the highest ice cream and cookie tower is the winner!
Ready, set, ice! Tower construction is very simple. One ice cream layer, then one cookie layer. Who will be the luckiest construction worker? Eva, Archie, or Kate? Well, Kate was making the Empire State ice cream. Archie was just eating and eating. I'm done. What? Eva's tower is way higher.
Whoa! Nice building, Eva! And it's delicious, too! In this round, you have to guess the ice cream flavor! Ladies, are you ready? You are about to taste some very unusual ice cream!
Kate goes first. I'll start with this one. Oh, gross! My poor tongue! This is garlic!
Yeah, it is! Nice job!
It's my turn! What is this flavor? I know! Citrus!
Let's see! No! This is herbs! Eva, you were wrong! Kate won!
Kate, would you like some ice cream? Here! You fell for my prank, bestie! Cut styrofoam balls on both sides. Prime them. And paint them to be the same color as ice cream. Poke with an awl. And put the colorful balls on a cord. Put the whole piece in a waffle cone. I came up with a great prank. I have to show it off. Want some ice cream? Whoops, it fell. Want some ice cream? Maybe next time. Ice cream? Not today. Hey, ice cream girl! You're gonna pay for your pranks! While Kate is distracted, I'll steal all her ice cream and hide it. Where's my... Eva! You stole my ice cream! How did you figure it out? It's obvious! Bye! Hey, Kate! Look what I have! Poppet ice cream! It's a popular dessert! Bon appetit, Eva! But I have something better! A giant simple dimple! Put white ice cream in a mold and let it freeze. Take it out after it hardens. Color ice cream with blue and red food coloring. Freeze it. Place the bright half spheres on white ice cream rings to make it look like a simple dimple. Now that's a really relaxing ice cream. It's so good. Don't be jealous of my toy, Eva. Your tongue is blue. Kate, are you ready? Eva, are you ready? Look at my popsicle. Ha, that's just an icicle. Archie!
Your popsicle, Kate!
Thanks! Whoa! This looks more like Thor's hammer. My popsicle is bigger. But I finish mine faster! I can't eat anymore! Archie!
Anytime, Katie! Whoops! Ice cream!
Catch it! Hurry up! It's mine! And this is mine! Got it! We got it all! Great job, bestie!
Thank you, ladies!
We've already played all the games! What else should we do? Pop it? I have an idea! Ta-da! It's not working! Let's play chocolate pop it with ice cream! Put M&Ms in all the pop it cells. Melt some white chocolate and pour it in the cells. Let it harden. Fill a big bucket with chocolate ice cream and cover it with the hardened chocolate. Hold on! Let's play by the rules! Whatever color you get on the cube, you have to eat it! Orange! What a yummy color! Hey, it's your turn! Tossing! Blue! Here it is! I'll have a double pop it! I can't eat anymore!
Ladies! So many treats! Pop it ice cream!
Think, Archie! Your tongue! Oh, it doesn't matter! Eat as much as you want!
Well?
There's a pocket on your tongue!
Ladies, here are your supplies! You have to do something interesting with Popsicle Sticks!
Kate has a brilliant idea! What should I do? Here's my handy ice cream cone! Enjoy, Archie!
Great! Eva, what is this?
Done!
Whoa! The Eiffel Tower!
But there's a drawback! The Eiffel Tower is no good for ice cream! I'm going on lunch break! Great idea! Yummy tacos! I have been dreaming about you all day! Whip 4 eggs with half a cup of sugar. Add 7 ounces of melted butter, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 1½ cups of flour. Make wafers and shape them while they are still hot. Fill them with scoops of ice cream. Decorate with cereal, candy, and syrup. Use food coloring to make different colors of tacos. These tacos are amazing! You wish you had these, Eva! Who is supposed to be jealous? I'm having ice sushi for lunch! Fill silicone half spheres with white ice cream. Put them in a freezer. Cut rings out of ice cream. Cut pieces of mango, pear, strawberries, kiwi, peach, and orange and put them in the ice cream rings. Decorate the sweet sushi rolls with a black licorice and red sprinkles. These are the best sushi rolls ever! And now our viewers have to help us. Comment down below and tell us what lunch you liked more, tacos or sushi rolls.
Bring in the easel! Ladies, get ready for a new round of the challenge!
Tic Tac Toe with colored ice cream. Kate starts us off. Eva takes the middle. This is my move, and I'll leave my spot here. My move! I won't let you win! Oh man, you ruined it for me! Taste my cold punch!
Whoops! Why? This round is over!
Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what ice cream flavor is your favorite. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.